Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can disable the vibration at the Redmi Note 14 Pro. I think you've realized it already, even if you have muted your phone, you're still having the vibration for incoming messages and notifications and so on, and even for calls. Let me show you how you can turn it off. For that, just tap here on the settings. Then you need to go to the point sound and vibration. And scroll a bit down and you will find here the points for the vibration. You need to turn off your vibrate for calls and vibrate in silent mode. And then you have no vibration for calls and incoming messages and notifications and so on. You're still having a little vibration if you enable or disable something, or if you're doing gestures here on the phone. If you don't want to have it as well, remove this point here, haptic feedback. And then your phone is completely on silent mode. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.